guys, so today, what are we doing?
Okay, anyways, so today we are
But which
going...
side of the outlet?
Anyways. Today we are going... we are finally gonna go get our ring.
Yeah, hey, be careful, Uber.
Shut up, I'll fucking drop you guys off like...
This is our Uber. I'm just kidding, that's my sister. Oh! Here again. That's my sister.
Anyways, what I was trying to say.
Anyways, after the Uber distraction,
We are gonna go buy the ring that we were supposed to get in Reno, but they didn't have another one, so today we are going to see if they do have the ring that we do want, and hopefully it is in stock. But make sure you subscribe and like this video.
don't forget to subscribe, please, and like it. Thank you.
Okay, and we'll see you guys over there. So we came to the Gilroy outlet to look at the rings again, and apparently they did not have the one that we wanted still, but it is shipping, so we are gonna get it. Like that,
So a Forever 21 tank top with leggings from I don't know where and chanclas. Can I get mine?
Okay, so now Nessa.
So these are jeans from Old Navy.
Oh yeah.
And my rainbow sandals and the same shirt as from Forever.
Hey guys, as you guys can see, we are doing a mukbang, but she already started eating. I don't know why.
I'm hungry.
Why are you laughing?
So what we have. Wait, before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what should we do next.
Today we have, it was hella funny, the story for getting this pizza. It's hilarious. But we have I just had it open. Oh, it's this way.
Anyways.
Okay, I don't know. Okay. But we have. What if I drop? What if I drop all of them? Why are you crying?
Oh my god. Because you make me laugh so much.
Look. Okay, we just have breadsticks. But they're cute.
Oh my god.
And then we have thin crust pizza. It's so bomb. It's from Domino's. We got Domino's and Wingstop. You could put the fries on here.
Right, you're all cold out.
Oh.
We had to make like
Give me the
a
ranch.
stop to Domino's Pizza. I had to go pay because the guy said it would be an hour.
Dude, the guy at the pizza place brought the pizza to the house and no one was home. So my brother answered the door and he had to call my mom to hurry. There's no spoons?
No. Nothing.
Were we supposed to grab some?
I don't know. I forgot my soda. But,
Okay, you want me to get it for you?
okay.
I think we need spoons. No? Here. Are those the ones you got last time? Were they good?
I got mine with bone.
Oh. Are they nasty like that?
No.
Oh.
Why?
Because some people just like them with bones.
Mm.
And I got, what is this called? Fuck, I didn't get a... What is this called?
Barbecue?
Yeah. Fuck, I'm gonna make a big mess.
But yeah, more of the story. I told him I was sorry.
And she tipped him really good. I bought the wings out. I should have won 10 and 10. We're not that fat.
Okay. Oh, they're so warm.
But check if they're good.
Oh, these fries are nasty.
You're lying. They're bomb.
No fries beats McDonald's.
Okay, but this is different. What?
What are you doing?
I was taking a paper snap. Was it good?
This?
It's not like that.
Huh?
Oh, shit. It's all like that. Like when I'm hungry by myself, I get thin crust pizza because it's small and you can just eat it all by yourself. What are we gonna talk about?
Honestly, I don't know. And this didn't come with ranch?
What? No. Why, the ranch is good?
I don't know. I don't get Domino's.
What do you get?
Little Caesars or Round Table.
Oh shit, I don't know.
This is actually a good combo to combine.
Really? It is, huh?
So our rings are gonna come in on Wednesday.
You have to go pick them up, huh?
I think so.
How are we gonna do that?
I don't know.
How are we gonna get them back?
Don't they need to size our finger?
That's what I asked him, but he just said that day. Like, is it randomly gonna fit that day? Or... Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, they're magically gonna do it.
I didn't understand him at all. Remember when he asked us that question and we were like, what do you mean? We were like, what does that mean?
He thought these girls are retarded.
Yeah.
I kind of knew what he meant, but like I didn't actually like fully understand what he was talking about.
I looked at you because he was talking to you. Remember when that guy went up to you?
Before.
What do you say?
Hey, beautiful.
And you were like, hey. That was funny.
The manager looked hella mad.
From that place?
Yeah, and he was like, and then you do whatever you want from out of your pocket or something like that.
What? I didn't hear.
I feel like he was gonna charge me more or something, but like I guess he didn't like want to.
He did not even look mad. You know who looked mad? The guy at Wingstop.
What?
Because he was talking to you. No, he was talking to me, and then you passed me the phone. And then he was talking to you, and you were just staring at me. But he was talking to you. Does that make sense? Like after you passed me the phone, he told you the total, and you were just staring at me talking on the phone. And I was like, "Bitch, talk to him."
I can't hear. I kept having to say, "What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say?"
I'll probably give the fries to my brother. They don't really hit the spot.
And plus, like, we kept laughing.
No, that does not taste good. Does it? What about ketchup? They're good with ketchup.
Why didn't you ask for no sauce?
What?
These are nasty. I don't like fries.
I want more baked salad. Oh, this shit's hard as fuck. The guy was probably like, hella pissed.
I was telling the guy, I was like, hello, are you there? He's like, yeah, I'm here. I was like, damn, okay.
Well, we have nothing to talk about.
So enjoy us eat.
No.
I don't think we even talk when we eat.
What do you mean?
Like when we eat together, we don't have conversations.
I know.
But like sometimes. But not all the time. I'm missing.
I want to see how these taste like. Oh, I forgot about those. Those are good. I'm gonna put the ranch right here.
You like this?
I don't know. I just tried it.
What are they supposed to be?
Is it good?
Mmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I know. I was paying attention. Damn, we didn't even grab napkins.
What is that? Oh, wiping? Mmm.
Try the sauce.
It tastes like the pretzel from like the mall and they all.
Try the sauce.
No, I don't like marijuana.
Hmm?
I don't like that.
Try it. It's like pizza sauce. Is it?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
This girl can eat.
Yeah, which is why I'm covering my stomach with a blanket.
What? Why?
Because that's embarrassing.
But we could eat together like a lot.
Oh, I know.
Imagine like
Did you want one?
I don't know. That looks kind of ugly. You can try that one.
Nah, that one's kind of ugly.
Try it.
It's ugly.
Dude, try it. Try that little one.
Okay, try mine.
Okay. Is it hot?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah.
But try it with ranch. It's not good alone.
Have you tried the one at KFC? Those are bomb.
Oh, barbecue?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try the little one. It looks weird. It smells spicy.
Is it hot or what?
I know. It is spicy.
I know.
You said no.
I like to.
Mmm,
My
they're
stomach
good.
looks round.
They're good. But not that good.
True.
Oh, they're so salty.
What is that?
That.
The fries are
What?
salty.
No, they're not. They're dry as fuck.
Some are.
That shit was not good. That makes my stomach hurt.
In 6 months.
They didn't even cut it right.
In 6 months, me and Vanessa were getting matching tattoos.
Yeah. 6 months?
Yeah.
Why in 6 months?
Because you're being
21? I'm 18 in 2 months.
I know.
So what?
You want to get it that day or you want to wait?
I don't know that. A tattoo is like a big thing. For me. Not just like. It just has to be nice. And we have to think hard about that. Oh.
It's like we go our separate ways in 6 months. That's crazy. Nah, we survived 2 years together.
It's just really good. I've never gotten these. What are they called?
I think we survived 3 years together.
What do you mean?
Because we've been hella close for like
I think it's been more than 3 years.
a cool amount of time. Are you full?
Kind of. Okay.
Kind of.
Yeah. Fuck, I am full now. Yeah. My stomach looks fat, huh?
Whoa. You want to see mine?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even lift up my stomach.
Look, you can't see.
I know, I'm covering it, kind of.
Why did I burp so much?
I don't know.
You haven't even burped once. Wish I didn't do that.
I texted you back?
No.
Then?
Let me check. Oh my god.
Be like, what are you doing?
I feel so bad. I'm full. I don't know if I want more pizza or that.
Honestly, I think I'm gonna just... I've been craving this forever. So I'm gonna eat it.
You have been?
Well, not from here, but...
From where? Buffalo Wild Wings.
Little Caesars. Around Timo.
They have them exactly like that?
Mm-hmm.
At Little Caesars?
No, around Timo.
Well, how do they look at Little Caesars?
And they're the bones.
Are they orange like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so full. I don't know if I can eat this anymore. But I have to. Imagine if we would have gotten more. 10 and 10. That would have been cool.
This is my last one.
I'll probably give it to my mom.
Should I give her this one too?
That's on you.
Okay, fine.
Because she wanted some, huh?
Uh-huh.
My brother's gonna take it away from her.
You didn't even eat all of that.
What?
I ate all my wings.
There's only 2 left.
I have 1 left.
We ate the same. I can't eat the fries. Maybe with ketchup.
Oh.
Are you sure you don't want that one?
No, see what?
Because I'm gonna eat it.
Go
I'm
for
just
it.
kidding. I'm just gonna give it her.
I can't laugh. I'm so full. It hurts.
Okay, let me go take.
I can't even suck in my fat stomach.
You're not even fat. Relax. Look at that pepperoni. Shit. I need to stop. I keep forgetting all my camera.
Here, you want the fries?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here. Here, take everything. Do you want the wings?
The wings?
I mean this, the bread?
No.
Okay, hurry before Vanessa comes. Run.
Daniel. He could use it. I can't even talk.
What happened?
He took the fries.
I give it to him.
I want a piece.
What happened to my drink? Oh wait, this one is my drink.
Okay, I said I was full, but I'm not that full. You didn't like this?
Yeah. But I'm full, I can't laugh.
We actually ate everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm biased to eat people.
Mm-hmm. Invite us to I forgot already.
I'm out of breath. I'm so fucking full.
How do I not have, this is a small cup, dude. I cannot. Anyways, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And yeah. Make sure you comment down below what you would like us to do in our next video. Anyways, thank you for watching. What?
I don't know if I should say something.
Okay.
Look at my nose then.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, I am Liz.
And I'm Ness.
And yeah, so see you guys next time.